to invest in mutual funds the smart, consistent way? With the RIISE app, setting up an SIP is super quick and easy. Here's how. Head to the mutual fund section and tap on the fund you want to invest. Or you can search for the mutual fund you're looking to invest. This opens the order page. Switch to the SIP tab, enter your SIP amount, select your investment frequency like monthly and choose a start date. Now tap on Invest Now. On the payment screen, pick your linked bank account, then choose your payment method, UPI AutoPay or net banking. With UPI, you can instantly set mandates up to 1 lakh rupees, so your future SIPs run smoothly. Hit Pay Now and that's it. Your SIP is set and ready to go. Download RIISE, your all-in-one wealth app, and start your mutual fund SIP journey today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.